Hi, this is Tony Bishop with Connexus Search Group. I own a recruiting firm, been in business for 24 years. This is for candidates who are looking for new opportunities. I know there's a lot of downsizing in the life science, medical device, healthcare type positions. And so I know a lot of people are actively looking and trying to find new opportunities. I want to show you a few things that should help you. Not that there's a magic bullet, but this certainly will give you a better opportunity to find something. Okay, so what we're seeing here is job postings. And there's 4 different job postings I have listed here. So business developer, you can see the date, posted on 7/27. I closed this 2 days after it started, 85 applicants. I'm just showing you what you're up against as far as the competition. This is my recruiting firm. There's other recruiting firms that do the same thing, or other companies that post positions and then they're trying to find candidates, obviously. So there's 85 people here for an account executive, 92 people. You can see the date. This was open and closed in 2 days, mainly because there was so many applicants. There's no need to leave it open past 2 days. Medical device specialist, and you can see there again, 1 day for this one, 57 applicants. So you kind of get the picture. Marketing manager, open for 3 days, 594 applicants. And that was probably because it was remote opportunity. So there's a lot of applicants for that. So the question is how do you stand out amongst all these other people? How do you get noticed by a hiring manager? So hiring managers only have a few minutes our talent acquisition people to look through a resume. So your resume really needs to be perfect. And I'll show you what's usually missing. I see it just 95% of the resumes are done improperly. And so I know that sounds high, but that is the case. Out of all these business developers, really only one of them had a resume that was actually somewhat formatted correctly, but still needed some work. So anyway, I'm going to show you today a little bit about what's usually missing on a resume and what we need to add, and then I'm going to show you actually how to do it as well. Okay, so let me show you. This is a fictitious resume that I made up, and it's very similar to a lot of them that I got through these applications and I see all the time. Here's the name of the company, Innovative Pharma Solutions, Dallas, Texas. So I have the name of the company, but I do not know what this company does. And so if I am looking for, going through applicants and I can't read something about the company and understand what they do, then I don't know how well it matches with my current client. So now, out of 85 resumes, I don't have time to Google this Innovative Pharma Solutions and figure out what they do. So most likely I'm going to pass on this candidate. So what should they do? They should actually have down below here, and I won't actually do it on this video, but they should have, this should be 2 sentences. Let me show you how it should look. So this is what it should be. So underneath your company, you should have at least a 2-sentence description describing what the company does. Then that way a recruiter can look at it and see if that experience matches up with what they're looking for. The other thing, under the territory manager, whatever your position is, you need another 2-sentence description here that also describes what you do as a territory manager, and then save the bullet points for achievements, for quantifying your achievements, not for describing what you do. And in this situation, if you look at this very first bullet point, this person actually has a good description of what they do, but it should be under here. And then the bullet points should be all about achievements. So this is a better looking resume, a better format. So company description, 2 sentences, talk about your territory, what you sell, and the geography you cover, and then use the accomplishments for which this is really good. You want to quantitate your accomplishments. Okay, so now you know what you need to do to your resume, so that way when somebody's going through it, they will definitely take a quick look. They'll be able to determine if you're a good fit versus eliminating eliminating you because they can't determine. Here is, I'm going to give you a link to this site also. This is a way to help you create an effective resume. And this is something we developed after 24 years of doing this. The last 6 months, I've been working with a development team to create a great tool to help you with your resume. So here you just hit on the button in the middle, you hit select. And I won't go through all this because there's instructions on our website how to do this, or on this website, and you could upload your current resume. So I have this fake resume here we're going to upload. Okay, so I'm uploading a resume that is fake. I just want to show you how this works. I will not go through this whole thing and show you. I just want to make a short video to let you know, pay attention to having a good resume. So this actually will upload your current resume, and it will help you, it'll help you format your resume, because it'll walk you through how to do this. So obviously your demographics came over, that's good. And this person was a salesperson, so they select sales. Going to go through this real quick. I'm just going to show you. So here it will, like this innovative pharma solutions, now it's going to ask you to provide the company's summary. And when you do, then it populates over here on the other side. So I won't walk through all this. There's a video demo on tutorial on how to use the system. And the same thing about this position, to describe your position with the company. So there again, just trying to make a short video to show you that most people resumes need work, they need help. You can make the changes yourself like I showed you, or you could come to this site. It's no charge right now. We're introducing this to the healthcare field, and so be an early adopter. You can use it free, but it will walk you through and make sure you create a very effective resume. Let us know if you have any questions.